In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Capcut app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get the right Capcut app, all you need to do is to go to Google Play Store and tap on it. Then use this search function here, or you can go ahead and tap on search here and then just type in Capcut like that and tap on this search icon, and this will begin the search, and you'll see here is the Capcut app. So if you tap on it, you can see this is the logo and it is by ByteDance Pte Limited. Under the time of recording this, it has over 11 million reviews with a star rating of 4.1 and the size is 193 MBs and it has over 1 billion downloads. To download this, go ahead and tap on install here, and then this will begin to download the app. So be patient as it downloads because this app is quite large, and then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you can proceed and open it from here. Alternatively, you can go to your apps when you exit this Play Store, and now if you go to your apps, you should be able to see your Capcut here. If you tap on it, you can now open it and start using this app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.